Hey everybody, I'm just stripping down the carburettor on the trials bike, taking the first jet out, and some of those holes are completely blocked. Not all of them, one or two of them, and that's just the first jet. There was a lot of shitty water, petrol that came out, but we'll give that. I can't see through that either. Can we know? That's it doesn't seem to be letting. Oh, there's a small amount of light coming through that. Anyway, guys, I'll carry on with this, and it's quite well corroded, and we'll give that a good clean up and see whether that's any better. Okay, bye for now.